Rating Jaipur's touristy spots I visited because I have nothing else to do in life. I started my trip at Albert Hall Museum, very artsy, very tasteful. Visit here makes you look like a smart person even though you probably don't know what's going on half of the time. 10 on 10. Chaukidani, people look like they're having the time of their life here. I generally have no energy to do anything, so I just had a thali, which was an 8 on 10. We met Brother Khan on day 2, who convinced us to pay him 2,300 rupees to take us to all the forts. Panamina Ka Kund definitely looks much better in pictures. If one lacks talent in photography, there's nothing much to do here, so 7 on 10. Amer Fort. Well maintained, so many things to see, though I know most of us just click pictures and see nothing. Either way, 10 on 10. Jaigarh Fort. I'm sure this is an architectural marvel, but the main attraction here is this jumbo-sized cannon a Raja built. I feel like it was him acting on his 3 a.m. intrusive thoughts considering he used it only once. 7 on 10. Nahargarh Fort. After Amer Fort, everything looked so-so. Apparently, the sunset view is good here, but I didn't stick around to find out, so 7.5 on 10. Day 3, we started at Patrika Gate. In pictures, this area looks a lot bigger than it actually is. The aesthetics are beautiful, no doubt, but chances are you're not gonna get any decent pictures during normal human hours because of random ass shoots in the background. 8 on 10 for the aesthetics though. City Palace. I don't know, I expected more from this place. You can pay for the royal tour, which is 3,000 rupees right now, but I didn't feel like spending that much on something that doesn't involve food. Aside from the 2 art galleries I really enjoyed and these really pretty aesthetic gates, it's a 7.5 on 10 for me. Jantar Mantar. I'm sure this is a very fascinating place for many, but I'm too dumb for this and too stubborn to get a guide. Hawa Mahal. Beautiful from the outside, shady as F at the entrance. We did a U-turn from the gate because I wasn't vibing with the vibes here. 8 on 10 only for the book cover worthy exterior. Jal Mahal. I'm sure this was really hard to build, but you can't actually go inside and the viewing park is a total mess. You're also not gonna get good pictures from here. Bapu Market. Lots to shop. Chances are you're gonna blow your money here. 9.5 on 10. And with that, I'm gonna go do something productive with my life.